to my channel. So currently I am like in Chikmagalur. I'm on vacation, so I thought it will be a good time to share what is in my travel bag. So yeah, let's begin. So this is my travel bag, which I carry with me. Okay, and it is easy to carry. And this I got from Lifestyle. So I'll show you what and all is there inside. First, I'll show you in that pocket, side pockets, what is there. So inside pockets, I have Vicks, pulses. This is everyone's favorite, all toffee stuff. And this side, okay, my earrings, meaning earrings. So in the outer one, I am having my lenses and saffron क्यों? Because actually my baby is not well. He got cough and cold when we started at night, so that's why I got this saffron. Now we'll check it inside. This is medicine pouch. In that my baby medicine and our little like some basic medicines are there. So this one and my wallet is the like very travel friendly wallet. Even I like this. I don't want वो लंबा सा wallet होता है वो मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता. So this is very good wallet from Venison. What else? Tissue. Tissue is there because it's needed. My sunscreen that will you will always get in my bag. I love this sunscreen I'm using from past I think 10 years. The Lotus Sky I've used all type of SPFs and other stuff. Best sunscreen. And my baby's snacks, some biscuits or snacks are there for him. Then yoga bar. This is like 20g protein bar, cranberry blast. So if you are on diet or healthy, this is the best thing you can ask. So it will end your chocolate craving also, and it is healthy. The pocket friendly dew from Max. Another thing is another yoga bar, open one. And my lipstick, this is from NYX in shade Budapest SMLS 25. It's like best lipstick day you can wear in day. बहुत अच्छा कलर रहता है इसका. This you can use at multi-purpose also. You can put it in eyeshadow or blush a little bit. Okay, my mini perfume from Miniso. It's the best perfume. It's like very travel friendly and the fragrance is also good. Another thing is this Benefit lip tint, lip and cheek tint. Okay, so I'll tell you the story. When I tried the first or twice, it was not good. I didn't feel like okay it's worth it because I was not using it properly. तो मुझे लगा कि मैंने पैसे वेस्ट कर दिए, but actually it's very good. You just need to give some time to settle down. If you put on lips or cheeks, it takes some time to settle down, and it's the best thing. So this will be always in my bag. It is like very travel friendly. Yes, that's it I think. Let me check. Yeah, so it's done. Hope you guys like this video. If yes, please give a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and do not forget to like and share the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.